Hi, I'm Austin. Welcome back to my shop. Today we're going to increase productivity a little bit by creating a fixture for cutting turkey culls. Normally I cut one at a time, but with this fixture I'll be able to cut 6 at a time, increase my productivity, and make them a lot faster. Here we have the board that's going to be the fixture. It's going to have 6 pockets in it that are going to hold the blanks that I use for the turkey culls. We're going to go ahead right now and start the pockets on the CNC here to hold the blanks. cutting out the fixture here. So go ahead and show you what it looks like. Got 6 spots in there where I can actually put the blanks for the culls. Got them loaded up here. Still need to figure out how I'm going to hold them in there, but for now I'm just going to add a little pin nail to the corners to hold them in there so they don't flop around as the router's going. That didn't turn out too bad. I got one little crack on that piece of cedar, but it seems to be in there pretty solid. I'll go ahead and throw another one in this corner. So the bad part about this is the wood does crack. That mahogany right there cracked a little bit too. But those nails should be enough to actually hold those in good. And we'll go ahead and start cutting next. So these here are the files that I've got. I've actually got it set to run 5 different files. They all run independently, so I do have to change them in between. But it should help from running a 30-second program to now it'll be a 3-minute program. So it'll be a lot more free time. Won't be running back and forth to the machine. I am running 60 inches per minute. I am able to control that down. If it gets to be too fast and starts to chatter, I can always back it off a little bit. But I'm going to run 60 inches per minute and see how that works. Well, that actually didn't turn out too bad. Had a couple pieces that flew off of corners that didn't have nailed down, but that was about all. Pretty good for a first run on a program. Um, Actually, one other problem I did have was this edge right here that had cracked. It actually pulled it off, so that call is actually no good. So 5 out of 6 isn't too bad. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, ask a question. Like, subscribe if you so please, and have a good day. Thanks.